that sound?
It's the speedometer cable spinning. Sounds like a mouse is back there.
I can feel the flat spots in the tires. No.
Nope. Start number 2.
I'm Keith from Holley.
Hey, I'm from Holley too. My name's Michael.
Yeah, and we are in the Holley R&D lab where the most bestest of everything great comes to the aftermarket of world.
Speaking of most bestest greatest, we've got some fine automobiles behind us from the 70s, and they don't typically get as much love because they weren't as cool as, let's say, a 69 Camaro, but they're cool in their own regard, and they're cheap right now.
Yeah. Whoa.
Mustang's trying to call us out.
Man.
The 70s were not the greatest time for performance, and in some aspects not the greatest time for style either. But we love these cars because they're weird.
These cars, typically you can get them pretty cheap, at least right now you can, so it makes it more available to anyone to go pick one of these things up, but they have a lot of potential. They're not the coolest right now, but they have potential to be really cool.
Yeah, so we have a 76 Oldsmobile Omega that is in really good condition. It's original 70s beigeness.
Is kind of cool. It's rear-wheel drive. It's looking really yellow. It's got potential.
And over here we have a 71 or 2 Crew Cab Nova.
It's got more doors. It's pretty cool. Those style Novas are pretty popular with the 2-door versions. You don't see too many 4 doors being souped up, but they're basically the same skin and bones underneath, just with more doors for more family members. The plan is to fix up one of these cars and make it a little bit more cool, and we want to unveil it at LS Fest East this year, 2018, which is kind of telling that we're probably going to LS swap it. What combination of LS swap, what combo of transmission, still to be determined, but for right now we want to focus on which car is most deserving, because they're both rear-wheel drive, but that's about where the fun ends. They need a little bit of love.
Yeah, I think it would be really cool if we could get one of these 2 cars to go down the quarter mile in under 10 seconds.
That's nasty for us. The fact that you can pick these up for relatively inexpensive compared to, let's say, a 69 Camaro means there's more money to be put into the car making it awesome. So we want to really showcase what can be done with these cars. Not a whole lot of coverage gets done in these cars because they're being just a ugly duckling of the bunch, I guess, but in all seriousness, they have a lot of potential.
So this is all going to happen over the course of a few episodes. We're going to take these things on a test drive around the block.
Yeah, this turn signal stop just feels utterly disgusting.
We are going to take them to the drag strip and bring shame upon our families. And we're going to attempt to have a burnout contest.
The keyword being attempt.
Yes.
Stay tuned for the next episode where we go over the test drive, and we've got plenty more episodes where we'll see which one's the most deserving of some much needed love.
Can't wait.
It's going to be real nice.
It's going to be real lame.
This is just awkward and raw as it gets.